What's up everybody? Today I'm gonna be making an avocado smoothie. Now it's been a minute since I've made any green smoothies. If you're here on this channel, maybe from the carnivore ground beef video I did, you'll know that I don't really eat a ton of green plant material these days, but lately here in the Pacific Northwest, it's been a little bit of a heat wave. We've had like 115-degree days. I haven't really wanted to cook anything hot in the kitchen, so honestly it's been nice just to make something cool and refreshing. So here's the exact avocado smoothie I've been making the last couple days. I just take one whole avocado, just cut it in half, look at that, scoop out the inside, throw that in my blender. Avocados are a great source of potassium, one of the key electrolytes you're gonna want if you follow like a keto diet. I feel like avocados are like the one food that sort of brings together all the different diet tribes, whether you're plant-based, keto, even like some carnivore people, I know that they still love an avocado now and again. The next thing I'm gonna add is my liquid base that I'm gonna use for my smoothie. A lot of people like to use nut milk, almond milk, coconut milk. I've got macadamia nut milk here, but honestly, I'm a bit obsessive with my protein intake. I don't wanna drink a smoothie unless I'm gonna get a decent hit of protein. And so for my liquid base, I like to use liquid egg whites. This is gonna give me like 30 grams of protein, no fat along with it, so really good macros. It's pasteurized, so technically these aren't raw. So I'm just gonna add a cup of egg white protein, throw that into my blender. Next, I'm going to add some Primal Kitchen Collagen Fuel, give it some sweetness, give it some vanilla flavor. It's also gonna give me some collagen. So I'm gonna add 2 scoops of this. This is gonna sweeten my smoothie, give it some nice vanilla flavor. And it's also going to give me 20 grams of collagen with the 2 scoops. The next thing I'm gonna add is just a pinch of sea salt. Give me some sodium, some electrolytes, very important if you are following a ketogenic diet. And then the last thing I'm gonna add is just a cup of ice. Ice, of course, is going to make my smoothie cold and refreshing. All right, I've got all my ingredients in there, so now I'm just going to blend it up in my blender. I'm gonna blend it on low. All right, about 30 seconds later, I've got a nice smooth consistency. I'm just gonna pour my smoothie. Look at that, beautiful. I'm gonna taste test. Very delicious, refreshing. As I said before, it's got great macros, 30 grams of protein, an additional 20 grams of collagen protein, great source of natural electrolytes from the sodium and the salt and the potassium in the avocado. So if you're keto, this is gonna be a great way to, either start your day or maybe break your fast in the middle of the day. Let me reset and kind of do one more variation just in case maybe you're grossed out by the idea of drinking the liquid egg whites. And so for the second variation on our avocado smoothie, I'm going to again start with a whole avocado. Just gonna cut it in half, scoop out the inside with a spoon. So I'm just gonna add the whole thing to my blender. Then for the liquid base of this avocado, I'm gonna use macadamia nut milk. I'm gonna use 1 cup of macadamia nut milk. Next, for this one, I'm going to add half a green banana. Green bananas have less sugar content than a regular yellow banana, and it's also a great form of resistant starch, which can be very beneficial for your gut health. And so I'm just going to toss half a green banana in there. Next, instead of our collagen fuel, this time I'm gonna use our unsweetened collagen peptides. I'm going to throw in 2 scoops. So again, I'm gonna get 20 grams of collagen protein. Then since I don't have the flavor from the vanilla collagen fuel, I'm gonna add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then for sweetness, I'm going to add a tablespoon of raw honey. If I didn't want the carbohydrates or sugar content from the honey, I could also use like a monk fruit sweetener or a stevia instead for sweetness, but I'm gonna go with the honey. I'm also just gonna add a pinch of sea salt, and then once again, 1 cup of ice. Throw that in there. And then I'm just going to blend this up, starting on low speed. All right, that looks pretty good. Look at that, beautiful, green, smooth and creamy. And there you go, 2 different variations on the creamy and delicious avocado smoothie. If you want to pick up either the Primal Kitchen Collagen Fuel or the Collagen Peptides, you can get them both at primalkitchen.com. If you use the code HELLO20, you can get 20% off your entire order. Just a little thank you for checking out our channel. If you haven't done so, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.